Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 3 altcoins to potentially buy right now as the markets are recovering and we're seeing a little boom here in the crypto space. So the market is up about 2.12%. We're going to be discussing 3 great altcoins and some of the projects and different things that they're doing right now that could be, upcoming catalysts for the year of 2022. So let's get into it, guys. So first of all, Bitcoin is obviously trading here up about 1.9%. Ethereum is up about 3.9%. Bitcoin at 44,000. Ethereum close to the 3,200 area. Bitcoin's volume is at around 28 billion. Meanwhile, Ethereum at around 14.6 billion. And we see that, here on the crypto bubbles, everything is looking green. So in the past 7 days, pretty much every single coin you can think of on here is in the green. I do not see any red bubbles on here myself. If you guys see some, let me know. But let's take a look at some of these bigger ones here. Shiba Inu, obviously everybody knows this one. It's up over 58% here in the past 7 days. We have another one here, Super Farm up 71%, Gala up over 88%. So we all know Gala right there. There's some other coins here that we're very familiar with, like Helium. So we see Helium is up over 20.5% right there. Decentraland 30.9%, trading at around $3 right now, a little bit higher than that. And we see many more altcoins here that are in the green. So it's looking very nice, guys. Now, before we get into the rest of this data, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me real quick. It helps the channel grow, helps me grow. So smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. So first of all, altcoins, they're all over the place. Some are up 1%, 2%. We're seeing some 6% moves here on Ripple and Avalanche. So Ripple has gotten a lot of life here in the past few weeks. Shiba Inu 7%, Polygon 6%, Crypto.com 2.9%. We see Litecoin still making a move here at around 5%. We talked about that one in the previous video. We see some other ones here, 3, 4, 5%. So everything is looking very juicy right now and very positive for us. So let's get into it, guys. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Solana, SOL. So if you guys aren't familiar with Solana, this coin is one of my favorite coins right now for the long term because of the Solana network. So if you guys are looking on Solana art here, where you can trade, pretty much you can trade, NFTs. Solana is one of the bigger, competitors out there right now compared to Ethereum. So Ethereum, everybody uses Ethereum for OpenSeas when they're trading NFTs and stuff like that. Well, if you guys come to Solana art or some of the other websites that they have, you can use different wallets like the Phantom wallet, and you guys can actually trade here on the Solana network. They have their own collections, all the NFTs, things are always coming out all the time. So we have a lot of great things here, and Solana, I believe, will continue to grow as it has in the past as well, especially if OpenSeas integrates with Solana and combines where you can use the Phantom wallet and different things with Solana network on OpenSeas. That's going to be a huge catalyst to be watching in the near future. Now, if we take a look here, Solana's up 2% in the past 24 hours, trading at $114. In the past week, we're up 7%. Past month, we're down 18%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 1,358%. Solana was trading at $9 last year at the beginning of the year, which is insane. You made over 1,000% gain if you would have invested into Solana at the beginning of the year. Continued to rise here to about $30, and then out of nowhere, it went all the way up here to over $187 at one point. Made a little bit of a pullback to 130, rocketed on up all the way to new highs of over $260 per coin right there in November. And then obviously since November, everything kind of tumbled. We went to lows of about $85 or so, I believe, and now we're making that little comeback. So there's still over 100% upside potential to get from that low to the high right here where we were at before. So 36.4 billion market cap. We were close to 80 billion market cap at one point. Volume here is lower by 25%. We have 2.1 billion market cap. We have 43-day typical hold time, and then circulating supply is going to be 317.3 million SOL. Popularity, it is ranked the number 6 coin, right behind obviously Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum. We have ADA up there, Ripple even rocketing on higher now. So trading activity is going to be 72% buy, 28% sell. Now, Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake, consensus, and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. Now, one of the huge positives with Solana is their speed and obviously the gas fees. So the gas fees are a huge thing in the NFT world. So that is the big popularity why it's more like than Ethereum. So like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of applications from NFT markets and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. The crypto app ecosystem on Solana supports billions of dollars worth of assets. One reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana is that the speeds are high and the congestion is low, resulting in lower fees. So gas fees, guys, that is the big thing, guys. guys. That is why a lot of people are transferring or transitioning into the Solana network and doing different things compared to Ethereum, because a lot of these NFTs, they're actually really, really cheap because there's less competition right now on the Solana network, and a lot of people are trying to get in on that one instead. So there's a lot of different projects that you guys can look at in the NFT world if you're interested in that. If you are, there's going to be some videos that I uploaded on this channel. You guys can check out the channel. We have a bunch of NFT videos in the past few weeks as well. So that's going to be our first altcoin and the reasons why we think it's going to be great in the next year or so. And then our second altcoin is going to be Avalanche. So Avalanche, AVAX, another great coin in my opinion. They also have different things as well. Blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. So you guys can check out their website, to see what's possible here. Built fast, low cost, Solidity, compatible dApps, launch customizable blockchains, private and public, scale to millions of validators with minimal hardware. They have many, many different things you guys can do on here, and work with the different universes on there. So Avalanche up about 6.77% here, trading at $90. In the past week, we're up over 26% from lows of $65. In the past month, we're up about 3.9% with those lows at 53. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 185%. So this one did very well. It dropped down to $10 last year. Then went all the way up to highs of 134 here in November. From 134, we went to those lows of about 50. And then from 50, now we're on the upside. So obviously, this one is recovering pretty quickly. We're only about $40 away from that all-time high level. 22.1 billion market cap currently. Volume is down about 40%, almost at 1.2 billion. Typical hold time is going to be around 23 days right now. It is ranked the number 7 coin. 64% buy activity, 36% sell activity. Avalanche describes itself as an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this is another interesting coin. Can you stake it? Obviously you can. So AVAX rewards can be earned by staking directly on that Avalanche network. So Avalanche network is definitely something that they're trying to promote and keep on doing well. Just like Solana has its own network. So Solana, Avalanche, one of my two bullish coins on here for the rest of the year and in the years to come, honestly. So these two coins are definitely ones that I believe will do very well in the long term. But that's not financial advice. This is all for educational purposes, just my opinion, guys. So Avalanche is number 2. And then number 3 is going to be Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity, you guys know this one. We talked about this one many, many times on the channel. One of the metaverse plays. Why is this one going to do well? Well, AXS crypto price rebound as Axie Infinity prepares a game-changing update. If we actually take a look down here, developers address the upcoming changes via a blog post on the Axie website. Specifically, the update will reconstruct the reward system for Axie players. Reward tokens, Smooth Love Potions, SLP, are important to the ecosystem in that they fuel, the in-game economy, allowing users to breed new Axie characters. They also are a key to earning a steady income through playing, a feat that many Axie players have been, able to achieve. Now, the update will vastly reduce the total SLP rewards, especially those for the, the most highly ranked players. Effectively, this will better benefit the lower skilled and new players and help to reduce the barrier to entry that they, cropped up recently. So this is going to be huge and could, make Axie Infinity great again, in the long term. So this coin right here, if we're taking a look, it's up 5.5%, trading at $66. Past week, we're up 31%. Ever since we got that news, we went from $46 all the way to $66. Close to actually a 50%, pump here from the bottom. In the past month, we're down 5%. Past year, we're up over 5,076%. So if you guys remember, we talked about this coin last May. We talked about this coin in May and April time period. At the beginning of last year, it was trading at $1.29. Went all the way to highs of 165 here in November, and just like everything else, it came crumbling down. Right now, 4.1 billion market cap, so the market cap has drastically lowered. We have 491.4 million in volume, which is 32% lower than usual. 22-day typical hold time, 26 rank. It is 55% buy and 45% sell activity. If you're not familiar with AXS, it's an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their token, playing the game, and participating in key governance votes. So Axie Infinity, guys, another bullish one here, coming in the number 3 spot. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. So first of all, the Dogecoin here and Shiba, we always look at them too. They're right behind each other, but Shiba is powering through. Dogecoin still staying stable. Bitcoin, as always, here up about 1.9%. It's been bouncing back and forth around this area. If it can break through this $45,000 resistance, we could see a nice, move on up. It's up over 17% the past week, 5.8% past month from those lows of 32,000 or so. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously we're down 5%. But if we can break through that 45,000 area, guys, I think this one could continue to go all the way to past about 47, 48,000, and then continue to pump past the 50,000 area. So we just need more momentum and positive news, obviously. So 833.4 billion market cap, 33% of the crypto market space currently. Volume is down about 22% at 28.5 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 95 days, 69% buy activity and 31% sell activity. I can tell you a lot of people were buying that dip, guys, in the past few months here. Same with Ethereum. Imagine the people that were buying Ethereum at 2,100 and now it's at 3,100. They pretty much made 50% in the past 2 or 3 weeks. It's up about 4% almost here in the past 24 hours. Past week, we're up 18%. Past month, we're up 2%, obviously from the lows of 2,100. In the past year, we're still up over 79%, outperforming Bitcoin once again with the highs at over 4,800 right there. So we're only about $1,700 away from the all-time high area, which doesn't look as bad as it was before. 381.4 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 18% at 14.7 billion. Typical hold time 76 days, 63% buy activity and 37% sell activity. So obviously, guys, the market is looking really nice right now. We're seeing kind of like a bullish type sentiment going on in the market as things are recovering slowly. So this is very positive news for us, crypto investors, guys. So let me know in the comments below, which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying? Are you buying anything, or are you actually selling off right now? Do you think this is just a fake bounce? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence to make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.